The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Marion County in south-central Mississippi, southeastern Covington County in southeastern Mississippi, northwestern Lamar County in southeastern Mississippi, southeastern Jefferson Davis County in south-central Mississippi, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:04 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Columbia, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, Improve, Columbia, and Bunker Hill around 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Melville around 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Summerall around 4:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Seminary around 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sanford around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.